Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. This is a video that I'm making for the new subscribers basically, because I am not able to answer all of your queries in the comment section that you're putting, although I'm able to read that. So therefore and because majority of the things are common amongst all the new subscribers, so I was just thinking of just smaller video for the clarification part, because many of you might have been seeing my earlier videos which are there on the platform, I mean in this channel. एक है आपका मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी विच इज़ ऑलरेडी अंडरगोइंग, and then there is geography, and then there is environment and ecology. So earlier what was happening a couple of months ago when I resumed working on this channel after a gap of like many months, so I started doing these 4 subjects simultaneously. But firstly, amongst all of them, environment was getting the least response. So after doing, like, I have already covered all the basics of it, so it's not that it was left as such random in between. Many things have been done. But then I realized it's not very feasible to do that. So I stopped that. I took the poll also in my Telegram channel. And the link for the Telegram channel is given in the description section. So please do join the Telegram channel because all the information I upload there only. So it was decided from my side that I will not continue with this because of the responses that was coming, and also it was getting very difficult for me to single-handedly manage all of these, because there is one thing that I stick to, which is quality. ठीक है, टाइम थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे हो सकता है बिकॉज अकेले सब कुछ करना है, बट देयर इज नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज इन द क्वालिटी फ्रॉम माई साइड. सो देयरफॉर no compromise. Therefore, when I stopped doing environment ecology, I was doing these 3 series again after a couple of months while I finished a certain segment in both history and geography. For example, history में मैंने till I think economic impact तक कर लिया है of British rule. इसके बाद हमें कुछ ब्रॉडर जो रिवोल्ट्स वगैरह थे, प्री रिवोल्ट ऑल्सो 1857 के, एंड देन रिवोल्ट्स ऑल्सो करके फिर हम सीधे फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल पे जाएंगे. सो मेजर चंक द बैकग्राउंड हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन डन, एंड इन ज्योग्राफी द होल ऑफ जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी इज कवर्ड. काफ़ी लंबा ये पूरा सेशन चला था, बट दिस इज कवर्ड ऑलरेडी. देन आई रियलाइज दैट आई वॉज नॉट अगेन, बिकॉज यू नो वी वर गेटिंग इन टू बेसिक्स से हम एडवांस टॉपिक्स की तरफ जा रहे थे, एंड एक दिन में 3 सब्जेक्ट्स को बिल्कुल इन डेप्थ कवर करवा पाना वॉज गेटिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. तो इफ़ इट्स जस्ट अबाउट लेट्स आई टेक अ बुक एंड मेक अ समरी आउट ऑफ इट, तो वो तो आराम से हो सकता है, दिन में 6 वीडियो भी हो सकते हैं, 10 भी हो सकते हैं. डज नॉट मेक सेंस बिकॉज the quality will not be delivered to you, and I rely on quality. That is my forte. So therefore then I decided कि अभी पिछले 1.5 महीने से कि I will not do this and this till polity is covered. So please notice my words. I am not telling that history and geography, because many of you are writing in the comment कि history and geography कब शुरू होगा. So that is why I am clearing this to you, that I am not telling कि history और geography हम करेंगे ही नहीं. I am not telling that I will not do history and geography. What I am only telling is कि the polity part which is already continuing. So this is something in continuation, and once we finish this, and I'm targeting to finish this as soon as possible. So once we finish polity, so that I can focus on one subject single-handedly, because I'm referring multiple resources for that to give you the content, and it has to be the best, at least from my side. Then we'll move on to history and then geography. So this is how the series will happen: polity, history and geography. This is just I wanted to tell you, this is going to be my plan for the coming few months, and approximately I'll try to finish all these 3 major subjects by end of December 2022. If thoda bahut extends, then at least taking some time from January also, but not extending beyond that, because आपको फिर prelims और ये सब की भी पढ़ाई करनी होगी, and definitely there are many other subjects. So this is my broad target roughly. Let's see how we do it, but at least for the time being my focus is only on polity. So please be very clear with this. This is just for the new subscribers. So thank you so much guys. In case you had any doubt, I tried to clear it, but still if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I'll either make a video if the comments are very regular, repetitive, or I'll just answer that in the written format in the comment section. So thank you so much. Take care till then. Bye bye.